I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get extensive play time in Joyark. Many gamers seek to maximize their hours on this cloud gaming platform. We'll explore legitimate methods to enjoy your favorite titles for longer, focusing on official features and smart strategies. From understanding subscription models to leveraging free content, you'll learn how to make the most of your Joyark experience. Let's dive into how you can extend your gaming adventures. Joyark offers several official subscription plans designed to fit your gaming habits. You can select a tier that provides a set number of hours each month, such as 40, 80, or even 160 hours. These plans grant you access to a vast library of PC and console games, all streamed directly to your device without any downloads. Plus, these are flexible, rolling contracts that you can cancel at your convenience. Beyond subscriptions, Joyark provides flexible pay-as-you-go options, allowing you to purchase extra hours whenever needed. You can also enjoy a selection of free-to-play games that do not count against your paid time. For ultimate control, the Cloud PC feature lets you install and play games from your personal library. This platform also supports seamless switching between your mobile devices, ensuring your gaming journey continues uninterrupted. To further enhance your Joyark experience, always look out for promotional offers, like special one-month trials for new users. A stable and fast internet connection, ideally 15 megabits per second or 30 for optimal play, is crucial for smooth cloud gaming. Engaging with the vibrant Joyark community can also provide valuable tips and game recommendations. Remember to monitor your play hours to manage your gaming time effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.